Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos, or do subscribe if you like what you see so far. Okay guys, so if you guys don't know me, hi, I am Dhruvi. I upload my videos every Monday and Friday. I upload DIY, fashion, lifestyle and plus videos. You will have fun watching. And yeah, so my today's video, like last month I started a new thing on my channel that after every 1 month I'll be updating you guys with my life and things I have loved in last month, things I have done, I have learned and I'm obsessed with. I'll let you guys know about it and keep you guys updated about my life. Anyways, if you guys are following me on my social media, you must be knowing me like quite a lot and you must be knowing a lot of things about me, but then also I'll share on my YouTube channel. And if you are not following me on my social media, then please, links are given in the description box. Just go and follow after completing this video. Okay, without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, first thing, like the best thing happened in this month, like February 2019, was my convocation. Yes, I have literally, I don't know, like I have done 2 videos on that. My Instagram says, my Facebook, my every of the social media says that convocation. Yes, it's not a big thing, but it is a very big thing for me because like one big thing happened from my bucket list. Like it was a big dream of mine, so it got completed. So I'm very happy and I'm not shy to tell you to tell to the world that yes, I am happy and I got a degree. So I'm really happy about it. So that was the best thing happened in this month. And next thing, like the outfit I wore on that day, like literally I got a lot of compliments. Like each and every person, like all of my friends, my family, everyone gave me a lot of compliments. So like I don't know, I just love that outfit and I'm in love with that outfit. Like I was looking smart, elegant, yet stylish. That's what I feel. So like literally I love that outfit and I'm obsessed with that look. I'm hoping I wear that same outfit again. Like it literally looks very smart. If you haven't seen that outfit, then I have posted on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, everywhere, and picture over here maybe, yeah. Okay, and the next thing, I have literally roamed a lot. I went to a club like Glass House. There I met a singer, not met actually, like meeting wala, but I heard him for the first time. My cousins took me and it was Amir Mir. Yeah, Amir Mir. I'll link his profile in the description box. Like he's the amazing singer ever. Like literally, like he sings literally very nice and I loved his singing. And yeah, I enjoyed a lot. And that was Friday night. So like it was amazing, like overall experience. Yeah, that wasn't the first time, but his singing was the first time for me and I just loved it. Okay, next thing is that I went for a trip, like yeah, and with my college friends. As you guys know, I enjoy a lot and we met after 6 months. So whole night we were just talking and we had a lot of topics. Like everyone started working, so we had literally weird experiences and we were sharing, and it was literally a calm and nice night and a nice trip. Like this trip was literally different from my other trips and I literally enjoyed and I was literally refreshed on next Monday. So it was really nice. And the place, like I got obsessed with that place. Guys, come on, like there was a beach, plus there was an open sky, moon, and moon's reflection was coming on that sea. I clicked a nice picture. Like picture mein itna acha nahi dikh raha hai, but in real life it was really amazing. But I tried clicking nice picture and you can see over here the picture. Like it was amazing. And then we did stargazing, not literally stargazing, but a few of my friends knew about stars and all those stars. They gave us knowledge and we were just observing the sky and it was nice. Like I literally obsessed with that place. Come on, I love beach, I love stars, both of my favorite things at one place. What do you expect? Okay, next thing, amazing thing happened in this month was I watched 3 movies, guys. Seriously, like 3 movies. I watched that Gujju movie, Chal Jeevi Laye, and Gully Boy and Total Dhamal. 3 movies were amazing. Like Alia Bhatt is always my favorite, all-time favorite like actor. She's literally hardworking, so I just love her. And her movie I watched first day, first show, that's for sure. So that and Gully Boy, yeah, sorry, and that Chal Jeevi Laye I watched with my family since it is a Gujju movie. And Total Dhamal, it's a comedy movie I watched with my friends, and that movie is also amazing. So 3 movies in 1 month. Like I'm literally short of money now, so I didn't shop anything like this month. I just took that one earring, black hoops, which I lost last month, and I literally needed black hoops, so I bought that. And I didn't do, like you can imagine, I went for a trip, I went for movies, so my money, I was literally short of money. And yes, this month I worked a lot. Yes, all these things were in weekend, so in weekdays I worked a lot. Like literally I worked a lot, so it was literally stressful month also, but overall it is balanced. Like you work on weekdays and on weekends you enjoy, so it is balanced, right? So it was, overall the month was nice. I liked it, like I wasn't disappointed. And now let's come to the things I learned. Okay, things I learned is that enjoy your company. Just, you don't need anyone, just enjoy your company, you'll enjoy everything. So don't be disappointed that I need this person, I need that person. No, just enjoy your company and you'll enjoy. And ऐसा नहीं होता है, you go some of the place alone, you get some of the other your company and you'll have fun. Just don't be in that sad zone or in BT, like bad trip, sad trip. Just enjoy yourself and be happy. And the other thing I learned is to drive on that ghats and on that patli gully. Yeah, I drive car and I drive quite good, aisa my friends say. But this time when we went for a trip, it was ghats and it was literally a patli gully, and if a car comes in the front, from front, it is deadlock. Like you can't go front, that car can't come. But I handled somehow that situation, and I learned how to drive on those ghats and on that bad roads. So I learned that. It was quite difficult for me in the starting, but at the end I learned, and I can't say I became pro, but I can drive. Like I got confidence. Now the things I'm obsessed with is that I said that my convocation wala outfit, because I like that outfit, but when I got compliments, my confidence got more above. So yeah, that outfit. And the next thing is this bottle. Yeah, I have ordered this bottle from oh shit, I forgot. Yeah, okay, I'll write somewhere on the while editing this video. But this bottle is really nice. You know what, I drink really very less water, and I always have a problem of not drinking water. So especially in winters we forget drinking water, so my parents and my friends always shout at me like, drink water, drink water. Yes, it is really bad if we don't drink water, but somehow I learned, yeah, in this month I learned that yes, we should drink water. And I completed target of drinking some of the amount of water which I put on my target. Okay, so this bottle, this is really amazing. I keep this bottle always with me. Like it has a transparent thing from where you can see how much water is there. Then you have liters wala measurements, so it is quite good. And then this opens from here and it has a sipper thing. So I always love this sipper wala bottle. I don't know why. Like in normal bottles, water directly come in mouth, and I don't know, I just mess up. So yeah, just ignore that thing. But I love this bottle and I'm obsessed with this. And black color, yeah, it is elegant and nice, so I always carry this bottle with me. Okay, next is I'm obsessed with this coffee. I don't know what's wrong. Like I drink a lot of coffee nowadays. I know it is bad. So next target for this month is drink less coffee. Yeah, so I have to literally cut short the coffee and start drinking green tea. No doubt I drink green tea, but then also I drink coffee. I don't know, but it likes, I don't know what, like maybe I was working a lot this month, so I got a habit of drinking coffee, but I'll cut short that thing, so that's bad. Again, next thing I'm obsessed is with this song, Gujju song. Yeah, I'm a person who don't like English songs, but I love Bollywood and Gujju songs. Gujju songs not now, but nowadays I started liking it. But before that, Bollywood songs, I am a big fan of Bollywood. Okay, so that song Dhun Lagi, if you haven't listened and if you are Gujju, just go and YouTube it. You'll get that song Dhun Lagi. I'll put the link in the description box also. Like, that song is really nice. I don't know, like every day I have heard that song. I don't know why, but it is amazing. Like, I just love that song. Okay, yeah, that's all for today, and that was my month. And yeah, this month was quite good overall. Hope for the best next month also, and to be better than this one. Yeah, इससे better क्या होगा, but then also better than this one. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And please guys, do subscribe. We are soon to cross 10k, and I literally want to cross 10k as soon as possible. Like, I have planned a lot of surprise for you guys. So please come on, go and tell your friends, family, anyone रास्ते जाते हुए, subscribe this girl if you like me, please, and give this video a big thumbs up. Come on यार, एक like hit करो, कितना time लगता है, please. Yeah, that's all for today. Bye bye, meet you in next video.